Hello friends and welcome back to another amazing video. So friends, today's video is going to be very amazing for you all. As in this video, we are going to have a brief discussion about such a trading platform wherein you can join and have a very amazing profit from here, as well as you can make your future financially stable as well. So without taking much of your time, if we directly talk about this system, so the name of this system is $10 BCNT and this is presented by the Byte Connect Foundation. So friends, all the crypto lovers are heartily welcomed here. And first of all, when we talk about the Byte Connect token, so they have developed their token on the TRC20 platform and its symbol is BCNT. So firstly, I want to inform you that this system is a complete package of many types of benefits, profits and a lot of advantages. So first of all, we are going to discuss some major advantages of $10 BCNT. So here, if you join with this system, so that is going to be a win-win situation for you all, as you will have profit from all aspects. The second one is, here you will get a global opportunity, and the third advantage is its high distribution plan. So friends, with these three major advantages, it is clear that when you join with $10 BCNT, then you are going to surely have a huge profit from here. So without taking much of your time and after having a short description of its profile, let us directly talk about the entire business plan of $10 BCNT. So here, I am going to tell you about the complete joining process, benefits and the profits which you can get from here. First of all, if we talk about joining, so you can join with $10 BCNT and you can do your registration which is free of cost. That means you do not have to pay even a single penny for your registration. After that, once you have registered successfully, after that for getting all the benefits and the income types profit from here, you can activate your ID and the activation amount is only 10 USDT. So friends, once you have done your registration and activation, after that you are eligible to get the different types of benefit of this business, which are the global sponsor bonus, global level income or the global leader bonus, global promoter bonus and global partner bonus. So here first of all we are going to have a discussion about the first type of benefit, which is the global sponsor bonus. So as this is clear by the name itself, the number of sponsors or the number of direct sponsors done by you, on each direct you will get 5 USDT as your global sponsor bonus. That simply means the more number of direct sponsors you do here, the more USDT you can earn from here as your global sponsor bonus. After this, moving ahead, if we talk about the second type of benefit which you can get from this system, so that is the non-working level income, and you can extract a very good profit from here with a total of complete 20 levels. So friends, here let me inform you that this system is working top to bottom and left to right. And here the procedure is something like this. Directly, if we talk about all these levels, so first of all I want to highlight an important point, that in this concept you do not have to wait until complete places are filled. That means even a single person is placed, then also you are eligible to get the level income from here. So here if we talk about the first level, so in level 1, you will get 1% income from each member, and once your team has created 2 members, then your total income will be $0.2. In level 2, you will get 1% income from each member, even one member is there. But when you complete a team of 4 members, then your total income from level 2 will be $0.4. Similarly, in level 3 you will get 1% of income from each member, and once you have created a team of 8 members, then your total income will be $0.8. The same calculation, you will get 1% income in each level, where the number of members in the team will change. After this, when you reach to the last level, that is the level 20. So in that level, you can earn a very huge profit from here. As well as I want to inform you that here in only 20 days, with the help of non-working level income, you can earn a total of 21,972 USD as your complete income. That means you started with this system with only $10 and now you are eligible to get $21,972 as your total income from here. So friends, likewise, you can extract a very good income from these complete 20 levels. Now moving ahead, we are going to have the discussion about the next type of benefit which you can get. So that is the be a global leader. Here, its criteria is that when you direct 10 active teams, then you are here to become a global leader, and a share of 10% of company's total turnover will be equally divided among the global leader on daily basis. Here I want to inform you that if you want to enjoy the global leader benefit continuously, then it is mandatory for you to make one direct in every 30 days. So after having this benefit and after becoming a global leader, the next benefit which you can get from here is of being a global promoter. Now if we discuss about its procedure, so here when you make 110 directs, then you become a global promoter, and after that company's total turnover's 10% share is equally divided among all the global promoters on daily basis. So friends, like this also you can have a very good profit from here. And after that, the last benefit but not the least which you can get from here is of being a global partner. So its procedure is that when you make any of your 5 direct as global promoters, then you become a global partner. And here company's total turnover's 5% share will be divided equally among the global partners on daily basis. So likewise, we have discussed all the benefits and profits which you can get from here. Now after this, let us discuss some important terms and conditions which are issued by this system. So here, 3 directs are compulsory if you want to have your withdrawal. Here, no time limit is set for global leader. Minimum withdrawal which you can do is of 10 USDT. And here, all payouts are generated in USDT form. 10% processing fees will be charged, and the withdrawal USDT will be converted in BCNT at current price. After that, if we see a short conclusion of all the benefits, then here for global leader bonus you have to do 10 direct sponsors. For getting global promoter bonus you have to do 110 direct sponsors, and here 5 direct promoters for global partner. So friends, here also no time limit is set for global promoter. Here everyday withdrawal and everyday payment can be taken. One BCNT address you can use for one time, and for global partner also no time limit is set. So likewise, in this video we had a discussion of all types of benefits and profits which you can get from here. So likewise, in this complete plan we had a brief discussion about the types of income, benefits and the complete business plan of this amazing system. Now after this, let me inform you about amazing rewards which the company has launched, and it is limited for a particular time period of 2 January 2022 to 11 January 2022. So here, if we discuss this in detail, so if you become a promoter, then you can enjoy a Goa trip. Secondly, on being a leader, or if you sponsor 10 leaders, then again you can enjoy a Goa trip from the system. After that, if you sponsor 2000 USDT regular plan, then again you can have the benefit of having a Goa trip tour. And after that, if you stake 1000 USDT on regular plan, then again you can have the benefit of enjoying a Goa tour. So friends, if you also want to make your future financially stable, then today only you can join with $10 BCNT team. For joining purpose, you can contact on the details given in the description, or if you have any query related to this plan, then you can visit the official website of this system, which is www.10bcnt.com. Thank you.